This time Take will cook a skewer barbecue in the house.
Oh, it's exciting.
The ingredients this time are beef, shrimp, and vegetables. The beef should be lean. Lean meat is recommended for seniors because it is rich in protein and has a firm texture. Season with salt and pepper. Cut the meat and vegetables into large chunks.
Use stainless flat steel skewers for the skewers. These flattened skewers are convenient because they do not rotate on the table while grilling.
Thread the ingredients onto the skewers. Peel and devein the shrimp. Grilling on a Japanese household stove is not recommended because of the smoke in the room. So, he uses a tabletop portable Shichirin under an exhaust fan in the kitchen. Set the gas bottle, fill the saucer with water, and adjust the grill height stage. First, grill each side for about 5 minutes. This time, he grilled slowly, so it took approximately 25 minutes. The delicious skewer barbecue is ready.
A tip for enjoying is Japanese sake, of course.
Add sauce on the skewer barbecue if you like.
Wow!
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Thank you very much for your watching.
My failure. I accidentally forgot to grill the corn I had prepared. Oh no!